Hi friends, this is Manish Khanna. Welcome back. Last week I had shown you all how to make the American chocolate butter cake from a recipe which I had learned. I got a lot of requests from you guys for the vegetarian egg-free version. So today I'm going to be showing you that. This also is as yummy and as delicious as the one with egg. And do try it out. I'm sure you will keep this recipe forever. So let's get started. For the classic American butter cake, we will be using cocoa powder, boiling water. I have buttermilk and vanilla essence. I have flour, baking powder, sugar and butter. First in the flour, I will add the baking powder and just mix this around. In a bowl, I have taken the 240 grams of the boiling water. In this, I will add the cocoa powder. I will take the cocoa powder and I will mix it till it is fully incorporated and smooth. Now the cocoa powder is fully mixed. To that, I will be adding the vanilla essence, the buttermilk, and the sugar. This I will just use a whisk and stir it around till the sugar is fully dissolved. Once the sugar has dissolved, I will take the flour and the butter that we have. I have melted that and we will put that inside. This I will stir across and mix till I have a smooth batter. If you want and you feel that it's getting a little lumpy, you can always use the whisk, but we do not want to overbeat it because we do not want a very strong sponge. We want it to be nice and soft. I'm just using the whisk to just get rid of the lumps that will form because the batter is a little liquidy. So the lumps, when you put in the flour, lumps are going to form. So with this, I have just removed, as you can see, all the lumps have been removed. I have taken an 8-inch tin, which I have greased and lined with the butter paper. I will put this batter inside and we will bake this in a preheated 180-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or till you insert a toothpick and it comes out clean. See, our eggless American chocolate butter cake is ready. You know, it's super yummy, and as you can see, it is super spongy. And I will cut and I will show you a slice. It's dark, decadent and excellent. You can use it to make a ganache cake, or you can, just eat it on its own as a butter cake. It is absolutely, as you can see, it's amazing.
सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को और प्रेस कीजिए बेल आइकन ताकि हम लाते रहें आपके लिए सिंपल बेकिंग रेसिपीज़।